Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Facebook profile to digital creator. It's pretty simple. You want to click on menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. From inside menu, you want to click on the settings icon at the top right. Once you're inside your Facebook settings, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see profile details, which is going to be under the audience and visibility tab. Click on profile details. From over here, the first option, category. Right beside categories, you will see a blue button called edit. Click on edit. From over here, you want to search for digital creator. Once you search for digital creator, it should be displayed at the bottom. Click on it. Once you click on it, you should get a blue tick mark right beside digital creator. Once you get that, at the bottom you can see the button called save. Click on save. Once you click on save, your category should display your digital creator. And by doing that, you should be able to change your Facebook profile to digital creator. It's that simple. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Facebook related videos just like this. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.